Run.
Do you want to run?
Is running fun?
Yes, of course.
Let's run!
Great.
We're running!
Run.
Can you say run? Yes, run!
Run. A dog is running. Hop.
Hop. Kids, say hop. Great.
What is this game? It is hop, ha! Nuh-uh. Let me try. Hop, ah! Hop, ah!
Hop.
Can you say hop? Yes, hop.
Hop. A girl is hopping on a rug. Stomp.
Oh! Stomp like this. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. The show is on. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Stomp.
Can you say stomp? Yes, stomp.
Stomp. A girl is stomping her feet. Clap.
Abby won! Let's clap for her. Yeah! Abby won! What should we do? Yes, clap!
Clap.
Can you say clap? Yes, clap!
Clap. A girl is clapping her hands. Throw.
I'll throw again.
Hooray! Daddy is throwing the basketball. Let me try.
Throw.
Can you say throw? Yes, throw.
Throw. Throw dice. Which one is stomping? Stomp. Which one is clapping? Clap. Which one is running? run. Which one is hopping? Hop. Which one is throwing? Throw. Catch.
Catch it!
I have an idea. Catch!
I caught some fish!
Catch.
Can you say catch? Yes, catch!
Catch. Catch. Catching a fish. Smell.
It's fried egg! I smelled it!
Casey, what's that?
Let me smell!
Smell.
Can you say smell? Yes, smell!
Smell. Smell. Smelling noodles. Hang.
I'm home.
Daddy! Let me hang this for you.
Hang.
Can you say hang? Yes, hang!
Hang. Hang a ball on the tree. Blow.
I won!
No blowing.
I can blow bubbles now! Blow, blow, blow!
Blow.
Can you say blow? Yes, blow.
Blow. The girl is blowing out a candle. Wiggle.
How do I wiggle? Do this with me. Wiggle, wiggle, little fingers. Wiggle, wiggle in the air. Wiggle, wiggle, little fingers. Come down there. I cannot wiggle my fingers, but I can wiggle my hips. Wiggle, wiggle, little hips. Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle.
Can you say wiggle? Yes, wiggle.
Wiggle. Wiggling the fingers. Which one shows blowing? Blow. Which one is smelling? Smell. Which photo is hanging on a wall? Hang. Which one is wiggling? Wiggle. Which one is catching? Catch.
You are great!